Hello everyone, this is Husky here. Now I really have no idea what's going to be on this channel. I don't know what the upload schedule is going to be. I don't really know what to expect, but it will probably have to do with whatever I'm doing in my life. And in my life today, I am unboxing a phone, so I figured I would make a video about it. Now, I've never actually done an unboxing, but to my understanding, the phone is in a box, and we're going to take it out of the box. So I'm actually just going to call the one expert I know who knows more about technology than I do. Hey, Justine.
Hi.
I'm doing my third video on my YouTube channel, and you'll never guess what it is.
I have no idea.
I'm going to be unboxing the S10 Plus 1 terabyte, and I was wondering if you could come help me because I know you have a little experience with this.
Oh, yeah, hold on. I'll be right there.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hi.
How convenient.
I know, I brought my dog. You're making a YouTube video.
I know, I've never done an unboxing, so you have to help me. How important is it to be like on the cutting edge of posting these videos right when it comes out?
Should we center ourselves first?
I feel a little lopsided.
I mean, you need to do it right away, at least in the first week, or you can do like, oh, a week with my S10 Plus. But when there's hundreds of review videos before the phone even came out.
People are probably making their a month with my S10 videos at this point.
Probably.
So there's this one piece of tape. How are we ever going to get past
Well,
this
we've
one
got
piece of tape?
this knife. Do you want to use it?
That's kind of big though.
Let's use this one.
Oh, there we go. That's much better. Do we have to get a
Quality.
satisfying close-up? Is that part of it?
Yeah, let's get a satisfying close-up.
Okay, well, I can only do this once. Oh, this is much more difficult than it seems. There we go.
That was good.
Now we open them.
So you first,
Wait, hold on.
so you
No.
already did. You gotta be like, you gotta get real excited.
Okay. All right, guys, it's time to open this phone.
No, you don't yell. You can be excited and not over like, because you're messing up the audio.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay.
So it's like a mid-range for me. But for the average.
Yeah.
All right, guys, it's so excited here for this. So Justine already did an S10 unboxing probably like a month ago.
Yeah, I did something like this. Okay, guys, are you ready? Are you ready? The time is now. Ooh, and then I make some noises like ooh, ee. Ta-da!
Okay. All right, guys, so here we go. This is great. It's rectangle. It says S10 Plus, and then I noticed on the side there's this little bracket. Do we know why that's there?
No.
Just a little, tiny little bracket. Maybe it's pointing to the S10.
This is good. I'm hyped.
Here we go. Are you supposed to?
So I had trouble getting that out. So what I did was, here, I don't want to just.
I mean, yeah, just.
I can. Here, let me help you. Yeah, it's
Okay.
weird. I don't know why
See,
they
I'm
did
glad
that.
you have experience already doing this.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you need
that's
this?
good. So what do you go in the manual first? Do you probably people don't care about the manual, right?
No,
Not this
they
second?
sometimes do because what I like to do is I like to open it and be like, oh, I'm not gonna read this and throw it.
Now we get it. Do we show it? Do we show? Ooh.
Wow, look at it. It's in the box. How cool is this? It's so neat. Now I like to smell it.
You smell it?
There's no smell. It's boring.
Did you smell it in your finger?
I did it actually.
I just have never smelled a phone. Like, this just smells like my pocket. Do I lift this up?
I want to just let you. Yes, that's good.
Okay.
You gotta no. You gotta make sure this is where you need the close up, and you gotta be real quiet. Yes,
Okay.
shh, because they want to hear
Literally,
it.
okay.
This is like
do
ASMR.
I hold it next to my? Okay, that was pretty satisfying.
In all honesty, like I love the look of this phone. Like I think it's really beautiful.
Here, let's compare.
Like look. Oh wow.
And what kind of
wow.
matches my?
No, did you plan that?
You can see here that it comes with a built-in camera.
It actually has 3 cameras.
3 cameras. Rose puppy wrangling.
A lot of people have taken off the screen protectors because the fingerprint sensor, there was a ton of issues when this first came out.
And do you go through the setting up the phone?
That's where I end up just sort of like starting to slouch, and then I just like end up like halfway on the floor as I'm setting it up, and I edit that all out.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. What if I read all these on camera? Do you think that would
I
get high
can't say
engagement?
for all that. Be more excited, like have a smile.
I'm connecting to Wi-Fi.
Like you should just start a gaming channel or something, I don't know.
I would never work out. Okay, well this connects to Wi-Fi. This is the charger.
Fast charging.
This is an adapter.
Yep.
To adapt to USB
C,
C or 3.
A to C, yep. Oh, and look.
Wow, what else is there?
AKG headphones, hello.
What does AKG mean?
All
Gamer.
kingdoms gone. That
Okay,
sounds
cool.
nice.
Great.
Let's go with that.
I feel very weird holding this. Like when you go to Benihana, this is like the lamest little onion tower ever. You know when they have like the, and then they like, phew, is this
honest.
satisfying if I pull this off?
Probably not.
No.
I heard it. What's great about this is it has 3 different photo modes now. So there's the ultra wide, the regular, and the 2x.
Okay, so Justine, I'm gonna try ultra wide versus a comparative normal
Okay.
photo. Cookie, do you want to be in my photo? Oh, that's perfect. Oh, this is fancy. I feel like a legit tech reviewer now. See, now I can't tell these phones apart. Which one is the new one? Maybe we should go film the dogs outside because they're much cuter than me. Cookie, how do you look? On which camera do you look better? Cookie.
Ready? Oh, wait.
She is ready.
Oh, that leap was incredible.
A regular, wide angle.
Yeah.
Okay, so Justine, we did the picture, we did the video. What would be next?
Well, you're definitely gonna want to promise them. You have to like double, super, triple promise. Like, I promise I'm gonna do a follow-up video, and then you forget to do it.
Sorry.
Cookie, after a long shoot, is
Really thirsty.
really drinking it up over
I
there.
didn't want to stop her because she looks so thirsty.
Quick question. I saw that people also unbox headphones. Did I get the right ones?
No. The new Samsung has wireless charging, so you can do wireless. Did you already open that?
So is that wrong?
Is it already open?
I've actually opened and used these already, but I repackaged them. And then how do you review a headphone? It's like, oh, it plays music.
The new Galaxy has power transfer, so you can turn this on and you can charge your earbuds.
What do you mean? You like put it like this?
No.
I don't understand.
Things
Have you
that
ever
say
been in a
it's a joke.
situation where it's like, hey, I need to charge my phone. Can I set my phone on your phone?
I haven't been because I always keep my phone charged because I'm a
Yeah.
responsible phone person. Wireless power share, I'm gonna turn that on. And then this says, put the center of your phone back to back.
Holy
I just
cow.
gave you a percentage.
Holy cow.
You're freaking welcome.
So cool!
See, Rose, great at the energy. So wait, could we do two phones?
No.
We're getting to the bottom of this.
It's so good because it's like it's right there.
So Justine, in the thumbnails, I've noticed that there's a very common pose that people do for these
Yeah.
unboxing videos, and it's kind of like, do you do these types of?
You know that I do those types. Maybe not that aggressive because I like to feature the product, but I also like to kind of be in it. I'll
Yeah.
like hold it out and then
Okay.
so I'll get the focus and then I kind of put myself off to the side, be like,
And are you like looking at the phone, at the?
no, you look at the lens of the camera.
Cool, I think I nailed that.
I think you did too. All things considered, I actually really do like this phone a lot. Like this is me, serious. This is not sponsored. I bought this phone. I like it.
Well, I'm actually super excited about this. I legit ordered it myself. Yay.
Just like, yay!
Yay, okay.
Oh, that was terrible. That was even worse.
All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, also give it a thumbs up. The system knows the difference. It's all the same. And let me know in the comments below
What phone you guys
what
have?
phone you have. Because
That's-
I have this one.
What we want to know.
If there's anything else you want to see, let me know. And of course, I'll see you guys next time.
That was excitement.
If you want to see Justine's video where she actually reviews it and actually uses it and actually knows what she's doing, you can click up here. Because I don't have another video to link to, so we'll put the subscribe button here and a subscribe button here for Justine.